But I want to show you all of the different things that this software program can do for you in helping you manage your business. So I'm going to talk fast and walk you through it. You can learn more when you download the demo version or purchase the software and really dig in and play. This is the home page, and you can customize it with your own logo like I have done, and it will also show you any notification or renewal dates on contracts into the future. You will never have a contract auto-renew again without you being forewarned, as long as you're opening your data manager. The next thing is there is a contacts database built into this system, and that's a detail view. Here's a list view. You can see all of your contacts, the organization and the contact name. You can also sort them so that the name comes first, then the company. Totally up to you. We made this as customizable as possible. For each individual contact, you can enter as much detail as you want and really use this as a contact management software. You can do addresses, phone numbers, emails. You can even print mailing labels if you have a mailer to send out. You can also, by connecting with Google, see where the company is located. The next thing is the licensees, and here's a list. Licensees have to be built off of a contact, so I often enter a contact with just the company name and no name to turn into a licensee. This shows it done both ways. If we take a look at the detail for Worldwide Printing, we can see that they've licensed 2 pieces of art, that we can see the beginning and the end date. Well, we can actually see that they're under review. We can see the product types that they're considering this art for, and we can see the territory that they will be looking for. When they make a decision, we will enter all the terms of the contract that we negotiate with them here. The goal of this software is so you have all this information at your fingertips. So if somebody else comes along and says, is this available for this product, you can find it quickly without going through all of your files and flipping through paperwork and potentially missing something. Then when they pay you, you enter that into the Royalties tab. This shows you how much Worldwide Printing has paid altogether, the amount for each piece of art, and it gets into a lot of detail, so you can see by a collection how much you've earned on a piece of art, and how much you've earned from that licensee on a piece of art. Great levels of detail. The next thing is this will organize your art. Art is broken down into 2 sections. You have to have a collection or an umbrella name where you're going to put individual pieces of art. You can leave it just at the collection level, or you can get as detailed as you want. In this sample, we have 3 collections. We'll look at the America collection, and it shows you that there are 2 individual pieces of art that are part of this collection, and you can add as many as you want. It is a database, and it's got lots of room and lots of power. You can also see on here the royalties that have been paid for each piece of art, who has paid them, and what products you earned that income on. This level of detail is awesome when you need to know what is working for you in your business, who's paying you, where your money is coming from. Then if you want to look at that specific art record, you just click on these green arrows and it takes you to more details about this particular piece of art, that you've submitted it to be copyrighted. You can have note areas when you get your copyright registration back. All of this is recorded in this database. Now, that's lots of the real detail and the level of detail that this software can provide you. It also does a great job at higher level information for strategic planning. If you go to the licensees in the list and you go to the sort, you can sort it by name, contact name, by organization name. But I like to go in every so often and sort by royalties total, Z through A. And what that does is it puts the company that has paid me the most money in royalties at the top of the list, and I can get an idea of where the bulk of my income is coming from. And then I can focus my efforts on creating art that will meet their needs and really servicing them as best I can. You can do the same thing with art collections. If you go and you sort royalties total per collection, you can then see from an art standpoint what type of art is bringing in the most income to your business. So that was really fast, I know, but you can download a demo version of the software and play with it, see how it works, and get an idea of whether it will be a benefit for your business. It has been for mine, and I believe it can be for yours as well.